What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Watson and this is Watson Motoring. Today I'm going to upgrade the tail light of the IS350. Now that's something I've been planning to do for a while now, but for a long time, every time I search for these tail light, they said 2006 to 2008, and well, that's because in 2009 Lexus upgrade the tail light in the IS250 and 350. But for last year, that's when I saw them for the 2009 and to 2013. So I bought these VLand tail light. They look pretty nice, but the only problem is the thing that I like to buy stuff online, but at the same time I hate it. It's I ordered these back in December 27. I received them, I think it was around first week of January. And then right after I received them, usually when I order something online, I usually check it and make sure everything is okay. And then when I opened the back, so one of the screws on the tail light fell off. So I emailed them and told them that, oh, you know what? I opened the backs and one of the tail lights, the screw just fell off, and they were like, oh, okay, send me a picture. And I sent them a picture of it, and he said there's a barcode on the tail light, just send me a picture of that. And I sent them a picture of that as well. And then since then they keep saying that, oh, we'll send you anyone. For 2 weeks now, every day I email them. They say, oh, we're gonna send it. So today I was like, just forget it. All I can do is leave them a bad review. That's all I can do. So what I did is put some Gorilla Glue on there to hold it. So anyways, too much talking, let's get to the video. Now the first thing we're gonna do is remove these clips right there and up here as well. You don't have to remove the whole thing, and in this corner you will do the same thing. And in here we're gonna have to remove these clips right here and this right there, and this side we'll do the same as well. And I have a feeling that I have to remove this plastic trim as well. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, now we're gonna have to remove the bottom clips. Okay guys, as you can see, I remove all the mats because I'm kind of have to remove this plastic trim. I'm gonna kind of have, there's a screw down here I'm gonna have to remove, and there's one here as well, and there's some clips here on the side. Okay guys, I just remove all the clips. Now all you could have to do is remove this trim. Just be careful because there's some clips here, you don't want to snap them. And just like that. Okay guys, now to remove the tail light on the door trunk, there's two bolts right here, and there's another one in there. It's not that hard. It's very easy to do. And after that, you're gonna have to unplug this tail pipe from here. Alright guys, here's the tail light. It's not hard at all to take off, and it's very easy. Now all you gotta do, just do the same things to the other side, and then that'll be it. And then we'll do the bottom part. Alright guys, for this light, there's three screws right here. See, there's one up here, down there, and here, and that's all you have to do. And then you have to unplug it right here. That's it. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it's all out. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is that try to unplug it first and then unscrew it. Alright guys, this is the car with no tail light at all. No tail light. And for the tail lights, that's the old one, and this is the new ones. Alright, let's put them on. Okay guys, I just put them in. Now here's the problem when you buy after market parts. I have a little bit trouble putting them in. It seems like they didn't fit. Even here you can see in this corner there's like a big gap there, and here is the same. I mean, it'll fit, but it doesn't fit proper pretty as it should. Now let's do the top and see how they look like. Okay guys, I just put them in. This is how it looks like now. Now we're going to plug everything in and then start the car and see if they work. Let's do this. Alright guys, this is how they look like. It's all black. I like them. It really changed the look of the car. Well, alright, let's put everything back and then I will turn the car around because it's a little bright and see how they really look like. Alright guys, now that we in the garage and the shade, this is what the car look like. Really nice. I just love how they look. That third gen IS, yep, that's the look. Looks really nice. Now let's just make sure the brake lights and everything works and we'll be done. This is what they look like when the car is off. Nothing is on. Yeah, looks really nice. It's really changed the look of the car, and as you can see on this side right here, it's more, it just pop out more. I'm happy with them. It's too dark on this side. Yep, that's it. Okay guys, to install them it's not hard at all. Just make sure it's just a screw, a bunch of little snaps. The only trouble that I had is the fitment. You know, when you buy something aftermarket, they always have little trouble with fitment, but after that it's super easy to install. And these here, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know, but I'll just save them. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Perfect.